be an ass about this.
Yeah.
Well, this is going to be one that's going to be saved for a long time.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be posted on Facebook too.
Are you posting it to Facebook? Go help Pete. Go help Pete.
Cody, come. Hey,
Hey, Cody.
come here.
Cody.
Come.
Go help Pete.
Get it. Get it.
Oh, that's rock solid, I'm afraid.
Hold on. I
I'm
can't
a
get the
scared.
freaking bow off.
Get a pair of scissors and cut your knife open.
Cody, come.
No, he's giving up.
Odie, come. Oh, look, you ready? Right here. Get it. Get it. Good boy. Go to the box.
Get it, Code. Get it, Code. Get it, bud.
Get it, Code. Right here. Cody, come.
He's fine.
Oh, you're such great help.
He's fine.
Good Lord. Is that fiberglass? It's spray foam, isn't it? You're a jerk.
I thought you were cutting so prettily wrapped.
You spray foamed the whole thing, didn't you? You're such a jerk.
That's what the knife would be.
You can't cut through spray foam.
Yeah, you can. I've done it.
Really?
Oops, sorry, wrong thing.